Hello, warm welcome. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. I went again to the garden and presenting my generous harvest of tomatoes, plus the ampalayas. What are we cooking today? It is the sea meets the land. Yeah, we're cooking tilapia fillet. It's an good old traditional paksiw or stewed fish in vinegar. But we'll be adding some garnishing, we'll be adding some greens to it. And that's where our harvest come in. This is Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's where I grow, cook and share, inspiring everyone to be self-sufficient. Please join me at my small kitchen. I think this can be the easiest dish. We can prepare it in 5 minutes. By the way, how do you find our new arrangement? This is just a break from our monotonous view from there. Tell me what you think. In the Philippines, where I come from the north, we call this Paksiw or pinanga. How about from your place? Do you have the equivalent? What's this? This is not good. I've changed the onion. Let's change the onion. And if you're wondering what's that, Romulo, presenting my onion holder canister, beautiful. Look, it's a gift from someone. So, what I was saying, a simple dish. We call this paksiw or pinanga in our province in the north. Do you also have it? I'm afraid my voice is suffering. How about a drink? The simplest. So, onions. They don't have to be finely chopped even. Randomly chopped is acceptable. So we can live with that. Garlic. Some people don't use garlic, but I've learned to use garlic with white fish. What's wrong with my voice? Sorry. What's wrong with my voice? I need something. Ming Ming. It's not in its optimum. There's a choice on this. We can either slice it or simply slice it like this to make it quicker. And these are the ingredients. All this here. Really easy. And we add, oh, but wait. Let me chop first the, not chop but slice the young ampalaya that I'll be adding, the youngest from our harvest. Yeah, they're still young. No seeds yet. No mature seeds yet. That's what I meant. Reasonably young. But we need to remove the seeds. If they are still tender, we can simply leave the seeds, but not for this one. You might not believe I don't usually wash my ampalaya, but since I mixed them with the tomatoes which were from the ground, picked up from the ground, they have been soiled, I'm afraid. So, water pass, that would be enough. Now, look how simple this is. I'll just add the fish. It's tilapia fillet for this time. And we usually use fillet, but this is what's available. And then some salt. Where's my... There should be a bit hanky on that, or kitchen towel. Salt according to taste. And this, don't forget this. Salt and pepper. Our tomatoes from our harvest. What should I add first? I think the green first. And then the red. Look at those colors. Some organization here, Romulo. There's something in my throat. What's that? Look at these colors. This is the thing that elevates it. The olive oil. And onto the fire. How easy can that be? Let's just wait until it boils and simmer further for 5 minutes until it'll be done. Easy. I think I forgot the vinegar. Where's the vinegar? I can simply pour it here. No harm done. What's happening to me? Stay with me. By the way, where are you watching? I'd like to know where you're watching from. Greetings from Holland. Special greetings to our friends in Nevada. Look at this. It's been 5 minutes since it boiled. Look at this. Now, isn't this beautiful? Look at these colors. The sea meets the land here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Thank you for joining me here today, and I'd like to see you more often on my other videos. Thank you.